Hello guys, welcome back into another trading recap. Today we will try to trade the London session because I probably cannot trade the New York session. So I'm gonna try to see what the London has to offer, and we'll see. So basically, my balance is a little bit low because yesterday I did try to register another video, but basically my computer just crashed and I lost the recordings. So basically, yesterday I took two trade basically. One was bad, probably this one. Let me see if I can. Yeah, so should be where's entry time? This was at 10:23, so yeah, it was yesterday. And I took this trade and this trade. It was the same one, but I just add more contracts to it. And then I took this trade that I got a partial out, and that's it, basically. So my total for yesterday was minus 193, if I can remember exactly. 93.50 cents should be. So yeah, the trade was this one basically. It was not that bad. Like we were trying to reverse it. Uh, it basically didn't. This was the first presentation for Value Gap. Uh, then basically we took the first TP and then just basically reversed out of it. We got out on break even basically. So yeah. Let's see for today though. So let's scale up in 4 hour. Then we're really close to like all-time high. So yeah, my bias is bullish, obviously. Um, yeah, there is nothing basically to look for. Those are not equalized, but almost. What's the bias on ES? Oh, on ES we didn't. Uh, uh, well, we're really close already, but uh, there is a little bit more space, I would say, uh, before the autumn highs. Uh, in 1 hour. Yeah, still looks like a lot of like still looks like really bullish, but I don't know. It's like one of those days that I don't really like to trade because you see like we're really close to all-time highs. Like the market is already overextended, so maybe it is really possible for a deep retracement. Possibly maybe over here if we want to do it like really quickly, or maybe even here, maybe sweeping this liquidity and this. But yeah, I not quite sure. So let me mark out the London session open. Well, we can do this actually. Maybe not. I don't know. Let's keep it here like this. So we already swept that high right there. Let me see on yes what we're doing. Yes, didn't. So this could be a good SMT divergence, but probably will be not. I don't know. Let's see if the price do get do give us some more confirmation for a reversal. Um, we I think we still haven't got. Oh no, yeah, we did got the first presentation for Valley Gap. Basically here. Uh, are there? Oh no, actually no, it was here. So yeah, we already inversed. Maybe even a closure under those low here and the mean. Okay. And then let's prepare 15 because the stop loss is not that huge. It still didn't close above, below the low. This could be a really nice and clean setup, but let's not get too excited for that. Like also the other trade yesterday too was an A plus setup, and still we just got the first TP. Okay, so it seems that we're getting the closure below. I'm really worried for this low here because it's going to get speedy. Okay, damn, what spread? We can even go all the way here. Maybe I should add some more. Maybe like this. Um, yeah, I think that's okay. Yeah, it's just a little bit over what I'm comfortable to trade with, but I usually trade with 520 off stop loss, so this is still fine. It's not a big worry for 20 bucks. My basically my draw on liquidity is this one for sure. But we also have all this buy side liquidity right here. So we'll see, we'll see. So let me see what's the price here. 57.50. Like this. Like this. Oh, damn. Price is looking great. Like, is this like a 1-to-1? Yeah, kind of. Like, Yeah, let's do something like this. I don't wanna like risk it too much for today, like trying to shoot for the stars and not getting nothing. Or maybe we can basically take the majority out of it, like let's do 15 here, and then the other tens are here, basically. Do we have some better draws? I don't think so. Like we got these one maybe. Looks like our okay, nice. I'm going break even. Damn, this was really quickly. Come on, man, don't do it. Stop taking my first take profit and then reverse it out of it. So we got a lot of speed here because this move was supported by a lot of big players. So for example, here in the London session, I use basically just 20 as a filter to see big players. But like New York, I'll recommend 30 to 40. So you just filter the noise in the volumes. Those are just some tips of order flow um, that you can learn. Order flow, it's not something that if you want to learn if you want to learn it, you have to trade only with it. You can mix your strategy and see if you can implement other stuff in your strategy. So for example, I saw that by doing this, I was getting like just a little bit more win rate than without. So uh, I'm about to close it because I don't see great sensitivity here. Yeah, nice, 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 nice. Was really quickly trading day today. Damn, 876 in 30 minutes of record. So so yeah, not a really bad trading day. We can actually also look for a possible. Okay, yeah. At the end, we got the TP almost. But I wasn't going to risk 380 for just 200, like no, like 100 more. It was basically here the price when I closed it, so I don't see the reason to just waste uh basically this is 20 points for just two and a half. Okay, we will look for some reversal now, um, because now we got a good draw on liquidity on here and here. And then at the end we got the all-time highs. So now the price it's looking good, like at least the draws. So let's see if we can play a little bit more with our profit for the day. If not, I'm happy to call it call it the day and just go to the gym, doing other stuff. I don't have to stay here all day. Like I think something that really helped me a lot um, during my trading journey was when I started to like literally like walk away from the charts after like a trade. Like you took a trade, it is good, okay, you're done for the day because you already made profit. You take a trade and it goes to stop loss, you're done for the day because you already lost. You're gonna like this, especially when you're starting, okay? It is important so you don't like you start to manage uh your your mind to basically say, okay, I don't need to overtrade, I don't need to get angry over this trade. That's like that stuff happen a lot to a lot of people, even great traders. So damn, but this was really good. One, two, three, four, 5 candles in 5 minutes. I made basically my old salary and my last job, basically. Maybe a $100 short, but that's it basically. So yeah, we would have got we could have wait for the price to get full TP, but I wasn't going to risk all the profit. Um, So yeah, this could be just like a long, short day, uh, especially with London because the manipulation already happened. We already took the liquidity pool from here, from this level, and then we manipulate. Sorry, we reverse to the downside, and now we're just trying to push all the way to get all this liquidity right here because here the market was really solid. It's not, you will not see like this type of market very often because this was very efficient. This was a really nice trend with like higher high, lower low, and stuff like that. So a lot of like continuation traders probably made the like just made the money for retirement here, but I don't really like this type of market. I prefer like something more like this, like where you can try to take some trades really quickly and don't be too scared of where to place the stop loss and stuff like that. So and like most of the times the continuation trades doesn't work on Nasdaq because the market is really like not choppy, I would say, but it's really volatile, so it's not that uncommon to see something like this. This is not continuation. This is it's just like sweeping the highs, sweeping the lows, sweeping the highs, and then lows, highs for like sweeping the highs, sweeping the lows, sweeping again the lows, and stuff like that. Yeah, you can say that this is a trend. This is an uptrend. This is a like downtrend, uptrend, downtrend, uptrend. But I don't know, like I don't know, like these I think is a really nice uptrend, but I don't like it because of that. Like here, this was the perfect setup, for example. So now we are consolidating around this price level. So it could be a great sign for a reversal, but it could also mean that in a few seconds we're just going to rip off again and go lower and then reverse in the in the New York session. But yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna call it here. Uh, was definitely one of my best days because like when you take profit, like when you open the trade and when you close the trade like really fast, for example here 5 minutes literally, it is like one of the best feelings you can never feel. So yeah, this bring us up 2,350 bucks on the account. We need 9,000 in total to pass the evaluation. Um, I think it's doable since basically I will need I will need mm, probably 15 days again to before the what is this called before the top step account needs to be resetted again, so I need to pay another 150 bucks for it. So hopefully we can pass it before the reset. uh, Maybe I could even take huge trade, like almost a full port to help me pass the the challenge quicker, because if not I will just lose the profit on this account and doesn't make any sense. If I need to restart it again, I don't see why I should just waste the possibility that I make all the money in one trade. So yeah, I think actually we can have some short confluences here, but I'm not quite sure if I'm willing to trade them. Like here the market is completely bearish, so it will be stupid to try and take some longs here, but you never know. Like I will say we got an SMT over this low here, but it's not that obvious as an SMT. As I said even before, I don't like SMTs or confluences that are hide in the market, because more people not like more people notice the confluence that you're using, and the valid it is. So, for example, if I see a fair value gap like on the one or on the like the 1 hour, um, that it's maybe on, I don't know, on March, probably it won't be respected because like no one will see it. So I prefer to see something like that it's really close to the price. So in that way, I'm really sure that the confluence is important for everybody that is watching the market in that moment. So I would love to see an SMT divergence. Oh, we actually got it. Yeah, we got the SMT over those highs. Yeah, actually we did. So yeah, but as I said, this could be just like some consolidation before continuing like going down, or maybe to build a structure for along here until the all-time highs right here. And I actually think that that is what it is happening right now. I think we're trying to consolidate them at a triple low. Come on, yes. At least sweep those. Because like if we sweep them, it will be great because we will get an SMT divergence. So there will be more probability that the price is going higher. Okay. If we can hold this SMT, maybe I will. No, it's already gone. But maybe here a good setup for a short because we closed below this, so this is now an order block. If we create a fair value gap and maybe we use it as a retest, could be a great continuation trade, almost continuation trade. So we did form an fair value gap right here. Let me mark it over here too. Okay. Because yeah, there is still the SMT right here. But then what will be our draw? Because like this is a nice draw because it's not protected by nothing, but it will be a lot risky. We also have all this buy side liquidity, but yeah, like you have to pray that you, like for example, you aim to this drawn liquidity here. You just have to pray that all this liquidity is not enough to build a reversal out of it. So, but I think we don't like have neither the retest on the fair value gap. So yeah, I think I'm gonna just end the video right here, so it's not that long. If I take another trade, probably, and I'm just gonna like leave all the drawing on the chart. So like tomorrow or maybe in the New York session. But as I said before, I don't think I will trade in the New York session. And so yeah, I will just tomorrow. No, tomorrow it's Saturday. So yeah, on Monday I'll um I'll let you guys know like if I took a trade or not. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, leave a like, subscribe. It will be very very good for me because I just started this channel. So hope you enjoyed and have a great day.